What's up, YouTube? When I got this over the weekend, this is a Braun color match light from Harbor Freight. I got it for $39.99. I wanted to have an extra light laying around, that way me or my helper could use it. If I'm using mine, he could use it. If mine dies, whatever. I just wanted to have an extra one, that way either one of us was able to use it. This was a cheap option, a good option in my opinion. I have used this before, so I did like it. I will go ahead and do a review of this after I open it up to show you how it works. I'll do the same thing as I did with the scan grip. I'll show you lights off in the booth, checking metallics. I'll show you checking chips, see how the colors look with this light, see the range of this light, show you a little bit of everything with it, and then maybe we'll do a video of a side-by-side comparison of this and the scan grip to show you how they actually compare against each other. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust this thing open and then we'll check it out. Okay, so first glance out of the box. It's got just the power button on the back. It has two settings. There's one, and then it's a dimmer one for the other setting. One thing that I have noticed is the light is a bit yellow. As you can kind of see there, it has a bit of a yellow tint to it. Alright, I don't know why it's doing the flickering thing on the camera. This is not actually happening from what I'm seeing on a light. It's only what is showing on the camera. So the light's not actually doing that flickering. And for some reason that's only on the lower setting. But like I said, the actual light, I'm not seeing that. As for space of the light itself, it covers a good amount. It actually covers a really good amount. It's not, you know, just a little tiny direct circle. Not bad. It is magnetic, so it's magnetic like that, and there's magnets on the back of it. So stick it up like that or like that, which I do like that. Folds back here both ways. It says 180 degrees, so okay, not bad. And that's it for, oh, it's got a little hanger there, so you can hang it as well. All right, that's it for the initial looking at it. I will go ahead and get into some color chips and some metallics and see how it looks. All right, so I got a chip on here. I taped it on so I could get some better angles with the camera. We're using the Braun Harbor Freight color match light. So it has a wide range, like I said before, which is nice. It's not just a little circle. It is a bit yellow, like I also mentioned. And the thing, it only has, there's a lower setting and a higher setting. You want it to replicate sunlight as well as possible. But it's always nice to have different settings, especially if it's a little bit yellow like this. If you're able to have different settings where it's a cleaner light and then it goes a little more towards maybe yellow like this, that way you can kind of get different looks on the chip. And that would have to be my only complaint so far. It's definitely bright. And that lower setting keeps flickering, so can't really give a good, oh, All right, there it is. There's a lower setting. I don't know why it's doing that. All right, here we're checking the metallics. Got the booth lights off. Checking it with the Braun color match light. That's on the high setting. And there's low. There goes that flicker again. All right, stop. But like I said before, it's got that wide range, which is nice.